When it comes to upgrading your kitchen arsenal, having high-quality cookware is a must. This Delarlo Tri-Ply Stainless Steel 2-quart saucepan with lid stands out as a reliable, versatile, and durable option for home cooks and professional chefs alike. With features designed for superior cooking performance and durability, this saucepan promises to elevate your culinary creations. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or boiling water for pasta, this saucepan is a game changer. Key features: 1. Premium tri-ply construction. The Delarlo saucepan boasts a whole-clad tri-ply structure with an aluminum core sandwiched between food-grade stainless steel and an 18-euro stainless steel exterior. This design ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for consistent cooking. 2. Energy efficiency. Tri-ply stainless steel helps save fuel by up to 20%, making it eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Its thick, fully clad material retains heat, allowing you to cook with less energy while maintaining optimal results. 3. Robust and durable build. Heavier and thicker than ordinary saucepans, the Delarlo 2-quart saucepan is built to withstand hours of boiling without losing performance. The high sidewalls and round rim minimize the risk of spills, making it perfect for delicate tasks like simmering syrup or melting butter. 4. Ergonomic design features a hollow handle designed to reduce heat transfer, ensuring a comfortable grip. Comes with a clear tempered glass lid, rimmed with stainless steel for durability and a built-in steam vent for safety. 5. Versatile compatibility. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and halogen. Oven safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, lid safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for a wide range of cooking techniques. 6. Easy maintenance. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Stainless steel interior resists food stains and does not react with acidic or alkaline foods, ensuring fresh and flavorful results. Performance and cooking experience. The Delarlo 2-quart saucepan excels in real-world cooking scenarios. Its even heat distribution makes it ideal for cooking tasks that require precision, such as making caramel, candy, or delicate sauces. The high sidewalls prevent splattering, while the heavy-duty construction ensures the pan stays steady on the stovetop. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking without losing heat, which is especially useful for slow simmering recipes. The comfortable handle remains cool to the touch, even during prolonged cooking sessions. Value for money. Priced competitively, the Delarlo Tri-Ply saucepan offers incredible value for its features. Its long-lasting durability ensures you won't need to replace it for years, making it a smart investment for any kitchen. Compared to other high-end cookware, this saucepan delivers comparable performance at a fraction of the cost. Use cases: perfect for small batches, ideal for preparing sauces, boiling water, or reheating leftovers. Multi-purpose cooking. From blanching vegetables to simmering soups, this saucepan handles it all with ease. Commercial and home use. Durable enough for professional kitchens, yet user-friendly for home cooks. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Exceptional build quality. Sturdy tri-ply construction ensures durability and even cooking. 2. Versatile compatibility. Works seamlessly on all cooktops, including induction. 3. User-friendly design. Comfortable handle and tempered glass lid enhance usability. 4. Energy efficient. Saves up to 20% on fuel usage. 5. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe and resistant to food stains. Cons. 1. Heavier build. Its robust construction may feel heavy for some users. 2. Lid temperature limit. The lid is only oven safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which may limit certain recipes. Final thoughts. This Delarlo Tri-Ply Stainless Steel 2-quart saucepan is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a culinary companion that simplifies and enhances your cooking experience. With its durable build, superior heat distribution, and versatile compatibility, this saucepan is a must-have for anyone serious about cooking. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this saucepan is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.